One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to give each customer a 5-star experience. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. As you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeeded in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and knowledge and superior customer service can help you. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.